Hey guys, it's Cami Renee. I have a passion to help people with art and helping art be a way and creativity be a way that people can relax. And I truly believe it's part of a healthy lifestyle. Since this whole coronavirus craziness has happened, I've been going live on my Facebook page once a week to help people, kids and adults, with art lessons. And so I would so appreciate it, and I know your friends and family would appreciate it too, if you shared these lives with them. I would appreciate it, and I know that they would too. Just another way to help them know that they're loved and give them a creative outlet. So I'm live Thursdays at 3 p.m. Pacific time on my Facebook page, Cami Renee Fine Art. I would love it if you were there, and share it with your friends. Here's a video that just shares an intro to what I'm doing this coming Thursday, and it's just going to explain to you what you need and what we've done so far, so you can be prepared and draw along with me on Thursday. We're live! Yay! Hey guys, it's Cami. I'm just working on stuff to present to you, my favorite people. So, do you guys know what value means? Something important, something worth so much money. Yes, well, that is value. That works. But value in terms of art also has another meaning, and that has to do with the shading, the lights and the darks of it. It's closely related to contrast. We'll talk about all that on Thursday. But what I wanted to share with you is that you need pencil and paper ready for Thursday. And if you have a sketch or a line drawing all ready to go, then we can do some value exercises with it. So I have my sketch ready to go from last week. I have my sketch ready, and I'm going to be adding value to this on Thursday. And smells like shaving cream. We might play with shaving cream again too. See you guys at 3 o'clock on Thursday, live on my Facebook page. So excited.